In Vectorworks 2011, you can now convert 3D locus points into stake objects, which can then store landmark-specific information and can be recognized by the DTM as modifiers. For instance, here's an existing site model created using 3D loci from a survey file. Remember, the original 3D loci can be converted into stake objects, and then the stake objects can be used to create a site model. However, since the site model is already created, I'll use the original source data to create stake objects to be used as site modifiers for the proposed site model. So here's the original source data. Now remember, we can also use the stake objects to label points on the site model. You could do this by selecting the desired 3D loci, then go to Modify, Convert, Stake Objects from 3D Locus. For labeling purposes, I'll choose Set Elevation to Site Model for the mode, so that the elevation of each stake object is displayed. Now choose a label reference, site model, and style, and then click OK. Notice the 3D loci have been changed to stake objects, each showing its corresponding elevation. Now let's undo the last step to remove the labels and create site modifiers for the proposed site model. I've selected a small group of loci that will be used to modify the site model. So again, I'm going to select the desired 3D loci, then go to Modify, Convert, Stake Objects from 3D Locus. The mode should be set to Site Modifier Objects, and the site model should be set to Proposed. Now I'll change the Z height of these stakes and then place a boundary around the stakes. Now if I change the site model's 3D display to Proposed Only, you can see the stake objects have actually modified the terrain. This new feature is a great time saver and adds great flexibility to the way site models are created and modified.